Daddy.
Here is the news.
Daddy, your phone has been ringing since now.
Who is calling?
Sophia.
So?
Mommy. Well done, mommy.
Well done.
Thank you. Who is Sophia?
Is...
Oh, mommy, I didn't say Sophia. I said Soft Link.
What?
Soft Link.
Exactly.
It's a platform where you can buy and sell your Bitcoin, gift card, and cryptocurrency, mommy. In fact, they have very good rates. Their Instagram handle is soft_link ventures. And yesterday, Daddy was telling me that he wants to sell.
Carry on.
That he wants to buy some Bitcoin. So maybe that's why they are calling him or something like that. Daddy.
Exactly.
Really? Nothing like Sophia, mommy.
My nigga.
Hey! Bring your daddy phone.
Hey.
God.
Hello. If you delete anything there, I will just delete you.
You think so you get wise?
There is nothing on the phone.
No problem.
This is
Hey.
God should descend today. God will descend here.
low battery. Whoa, come and charge your daddy phone.
Jesus, you love me too much. Oh my God. Too much, excess love. Oh.
My nigga.